everyone, my name is Ryder Keeler. I'm over here at Team Toyota, and today I'm going to go over what we do for you after you purchase a vehicle from us. So first things first, we'll get your 30-day pit stop scheduled. What that is our service department is going to go over the vehicle and make sure everything is the way Toyota wants, everything's going as expected. Second thing is our pickup and delivery service. So we can pick your car up and drop it off at your work, at your home, wherever. Another thing is the shuttle service. So if you're here getting some service, you need a ride to the grocery store or to work, we can do that for you. We also give you preferred scheduling too, where we take 2 or 3 appointments and set them aside just for emergencies in case you guys need it. Last thing is if you buy our vehicles and you live in a state that requires an inspection, we'll reimburse you for the first one. Now, we also give you free tanks of gas. So purchasing a vehicle with Team Toyota, we give you a 3rd year of Toyota Care for free. So all these services are free. If you do all your free services with us every year, you get a free tank of gas. Thank you.